What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. Now, you may notice the background is a little different. That's because we're coming to you from inside of Canyonlands,
Utah.
Canyonlands, Utah. This has been a crazy day. So, we've had some issues while we were on the trail with these little guys, and we'd like to show you another option. Stay tuned. I started shopping around on Amazon and came across the Odelfi light bar headlamp. Now, you've seen us do some light bar headlamps in the past. This one is different and has a little bit of an extra feature. Plus, it's supposed to be a lot more comfortable. And most importantly for us, it's a lot more affordable because the other one was a little pricey. So let's check it out. And hopefully this is going to do the trick for us, especially while we're out here in Colorado and Utah. I don't know if you noticed, but there are no street lights around, so it's a lot darker here. And let's see if we can get that wider range of focus. So very small packaging. The packaging actually super shocked me. So we'll see if they just kind of cut out all the frills. All right, so right off the bat, that is very different than any light bar that I've seen. And that's kind of what we were going for. Holy cow, yeah. On Amazon, I thought this was like a hard plastic online. But you can see that is a light bar strip that is flexible and bendable. So no wonder, and it's got some neoprene padding here. So no wonder they're saying that this is the most comfortable headlamp that you can buy. Now the great thing is that while I was out of town, Kim took the liberty of opening this thing and charging it, but no one has turned it on because, you know, I like to do that first. So she saved it for me. So let's see if I can figure out how to turn this thing on. You ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? That is so much. It's bright out here, guys, and that is bright. So I wonder if there's instructions because I don't know how to turn this little guy on. So right off the bat, you can tell this is a newer item because instead of using that typical crappy old plug, it's using a USB-C. So that tells you they're following with in line with new technology. So there's no instructions in here, just the thank you and a discount code. So boom, if you want that discount, there you go. And let's see if we can figure out how to work it.
Are they on the side of the box by chance?
Let's see. Oh, so it's got a sensor for wave induction, so you can do this. That's what these sensors are for. I think maybe you didn't charge it.
Well, I charged it.
There we go. So if you don't want to turn the big light bar on, you've got all these different modes. Okay. So you just got to run through the modes. And then the wave induction, I'm not really sure how to do it, but hey, don't mind my hair. We've been on the trail, this is what, day 5?
I think so.
Yeah, this is day 5. No showers for us. So it's all in which side. I'm a lefty, so I'm probably going to put it on my left side, and I'm probably going to adjust that a little tighter.
I'm alarmed it's too big.
Hey.
I never thought that was possible.
You know what they're not going to be, did I just make it longer or shorter?
Shorter.
All right. So when you put it on, you don't really notice it. It's not heavy.
I noticed it.
Do I look like Geordie LaForge or Cyclops?
Sure.
All right, wait. So gotta find that's the button.
That's the bar.
That's a low.
Yep.
And that's the little guy on high. And that's low.
Yep.
And the other button I think might be that wave induction thing. And I've just gotta find it. So it's kind of neat.
I think you need to turn it on.
Wait, okay.
And then do the wave. Push the other button for the wave.
Oh, hold on. I think I turned it off. I'm not good at this, guys. All right. All right, I think that's the way it's at. I see it on.
It is on.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here.
Many months later.
Oh wait, there's some on-offs. On-off.
3 days later.
I don't know how to work it, guys. Either way, I mean, I don't know if that's a function that I would have used anyway. But damn it, because it has it, I'm supposed to be able to do it.
It's a cool function. Our other one has that function. So it's nice because if I'm looking directly at you, for instance, instead of blinding you, I can just swipe over and turn it off.
So wait a minute. So I swipe it and it turns it off.
Yeah, you just swipe it.
So which one's got the little button for the sensor? That one?
That one. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's on.
Anything happen?
It's on.
Okay.
So the other one, we just swipe like that.
Oh. Anything happen?
Nothing.
Do I just look like an idiot?
A little bit.
Well, first off, we will come back to you when this thing is dark. And that
Hopefully
could be,
we'll have that figured
well,
out.
and that could be why this isn't working. Because the light. What's up?
Sure, we'll go with that.
I don't know, because it's got a night sensor. So, either way, guys, there's no service out here, so I can't Google it. But I am going to be pretty excited to put it up against this. Oh, I just blinded my camera, lady. I'm going to be pretty excited to put it against this to see the difference of the direct beam versus a 360 or 150 or 180, whatever my big head can produce. So,
All right, cool.
all right, stay tuned for darkness. All right, Kim, you've got the Odelfi on. Let's see it. That is super bright. And look at the ground. Holy crap. So you instantly, guys, can see now that I've got it all on the same camera. You don't even have to shine at the bush. The bush is lit up. Look some other directions, babe. Over to the...
Get attacked by bugs.
the bugs love it because it is so bright. So she's going to put it back on in a second and run it through all the features because she's not afraid of a moth. Right, babe?
Sure.
And go. All right, so that is...
There we go. That's
all right, so that's medium, and still it is lighting up quite a bit. And now put it back on high. Oh, so that's the spotlight. So if she decided that she did want to just light up a small area, that spotlight is still pretty damn bright, isn't it? Holy cow. All right, but now turn the light bar on high. I mean, that's huge, right? That is huge. I was actually going to have you walking over to the Jeep and getting things out, but after seeing the swath on the ground, it is clear to see. But seriously, the most important part, babe, how comfortable is that one?
So there's the hand swipe.
There's the what?
Hand swipe.
Oh, did you get it to work?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Turn it on, and then swipe your hand.
Man, I hate you. So put it on your head and show me you doing it, though. I'll be damned. She did do it. Do it again. What? Guys, it is so bright. And again, it's just super comfortable. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Guys, that is the Odelfi light bar that apparently our bugs here in Canyonlands love. So I'll leave a link to the product in the description. Just so you know, this thing is way, way, way cheaper than the other light bars out there. And I don't know that they will be as comfortable as this thing. The only thing that I don't know is we'll have to really get in and figure out how long that battery lasts to make sure it can last the 8 hours that they say it can, or the 2.5 hours that they say it can. Because Kim said she charged it when we got the box, but then today you can see that red light on. I don't know if that means it's out or if that just means it's on, but we're gonna have to test it and see if it does in fact last that time. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. What else, babe?
Ring the little bell.
Did you do the dance? Did you do the booty dance? All right, guys, see you next time.